Hello, and welcome to the session. Business Strategy LO3. Apply the outcomes of an analysis using an appropriate strategic management tool in a given market sector. Are you ready to explore strategic management tools in the electric vehicle market? This video delves into applying SWOT analysis, McKinsey's 7S model, and the VRIO/VRIN framework. Discover how these tools can guide strategies in the dynamic EV sector. SWOT analysis evaluates an organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. In the EV market, Tesla's technology leadership and brand recognition are key strengths. High production costs and limited model range are weaknesses. Opportunities include government incentives and growing market demand. Intense competition and regulatory challenges are significant threats. Leverage technological leadership by introducing new innovations. Address weaknesses by investing in cost reduction and diversifying the product range. Seize opportunities by utilizing government incentives and expanding into emerging markets. Mitigate threats through continuous innovation and strategic partnerships. These actions enhance Tesla's competitive positioning. The structure is centralized with a focus on R&D. The 7S model assesses 7 internal elements for strategic alignment. In the EV market, Tesla's strategy focuses on market expansion and new models. Systems are advanced but need scalability. Shared values emphasize sustainability and innovation. Align all elements of the 7S model to support strategic goals. Enhance cross-functional collaboration for product development. Implement scalable systems for increased production. Reinforce company culture around sustainability. Balance visionary leadership with operational efficiency. The VRIO/VRIN framework evaluates resources for competitive advantage. Tesla's advanced battery technology is a valuable resource. Proprietary autonomous driving algorithms are rare. Unique vehicle design and brand identity are inimitable. The organization must be structured to exploit these resources. Enhance and protect valuable, rare, and inimitable resources. Optimize organizational structure to leverage these assets. Invest in scaling production and enhancing R&D capabilities. Continue expanding the ecosystem to prevent viable substitutes. This ensures Tesla's competitive advantage. The balanced scorecard translates vision into performance measures. It covers financial, customer, internal processes, and learning perspectives. Microsoft uses financial metrics to track cloud service profitability. Apple aligns customer insights with product development. Google invests in employee development for innovation. Use the balanced scorecard to ensure alignment with strategic vision. Regularly review performance measures to reflect strategic changes. Focus on integrating strategy into daily operations. This approach supports long-term goals. It enhances organizational performance and adaptability. Porter's 5 Forces model analyses competitive forces. It includes the threat of new entrants and bargaining power of suppliers. Bargaining power of buyers and threat of substitutes are assessed. Industry rivalry is also evaluated. This model helps understand competition and profitability. Use the 5 Forces model to understand industry dynamics. Develop strategies to enhance competitive positioning. Focus on differentiating products and negotiating better supplier terms. Monitor competitive landscape and adapt strategies. This model supports strategic decision-making. Stakeholder analysis identifies and evaluates stakeholder interests. It helps manage relationships to achieve strategic objectives. Starbucks aligns CSR initiatives with stakeholder expectations. BP considers environmental groups as key stakeholders. Unilever engages stakeholders through sustainability reports. Conduct regular stakeholder analysis to adapt strategies. Develop targeted communication plans for engagement. Address stakeholder needs and concerns proactively. This approach enhances relationships and supports strategic goals. It ensures alignment with stakeholder expectations. The Ansoff matrix identifies growth strategies. It includes market penetration, product development, market development, and diversification. McDonald's increases market share through promotions. Apple develops new products for existing markets. Amazon diversifies into cloud computing. Use the Ansoff matrix to evaluate growth opportunities. Balance risk and return by selecting aligned strategies. Focus on capabilities and market conditions. This tool guides strategic decision-making. It supports long-term growth and diversification. Measuring strategic outcomes ensures strategies are effective. Establish performance indicators and review goals. Tesla uses sales, volume, and customer satisfaction as indicators. Amazon tracks order fulfillment time and accuracy. Regular reviews align strategies with changing conditions. Align performance indicators with strategic objectives. Regularly review and update targets based on trends. This process ensures relevant and actionable insights. It supports strategic alignment and organizational success. Continuous evaluation enhances adaptability and performance. Regularly review and redefine strategic goals. Assess progress and identify areas for improvement. Adapt strategies to internal and external changes. Communicate revised goals throughout the organization. This process ensures alignment with strategic vision. Develop strategic objectives based on analysis. Leverage technological leadership and address production costs. Expand market presence and enhance competitive differentiation. Align objectives with Tesla's long-term vision. This approach ensures sustainable growth and innovation. Porter's 5 Forces provides comprehensive industry insights. It informs strategic objectives by analyzing competition. Tesla can enhance market leadership and secure supply chains. This model aligns with Tesla's strategic needs. It supports informed decision-making and competitive advantage. Use analysis outcomes to devise strategic objectives. Focus on market share growth and technological innovation. Address production inefficiencies and explore new markets. Align objectives with Tesla's vision of sustainability. This ensures continued competitive advantage. In conclusion, applying the outcomes of analysis using appropriate strategic management tools is essential for making informed decisions within a given market sector. Tools such as SWOT, PESTLE, Porter's 5 Forces, and VRIO help organizations interpret internal and external analysis and translate insights into practical strategic actions. By applying these tools effectively, organizations can identify opportunities, manage risks, and position themselves competitively within the market. This approach supports evidence-based strategy development and enhances the likelihood of achieving strategic objectives. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.